nation you're playing?
Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, I figured that. I'm gonna hide it where you can only see the tower of the top.
Pretty sure I took out that Bradley that was under attack.
That trench, that was great. I wish we had Bradley.
I'm in position.
Sticks and missiles, usually.
That's true.
Like, just generally, the American shit has way better sights. Most people in this game need the sights because they're blind.
I just don't like some of the
Y'all, this
No.
is extreme.
You know,
taking
you-
over. Turn this all in. Honest.
Polish will probably be one of the few that
It's dead accurate, but just start shoving shells into that.
Mobius, you gotta put him through a big fucking. Infantry on. Come on, let's go.
Alright, get in the gun, get in the gun. I'll be observer.
We're going towards tower.
Make money, by the way. You guys will make money if you're in the gunner seats. How it works. How to get the
In the rubble there.
the monitors like hold steady. Sometimes it doesn't.
The cameras traverse, and so like jerks it around. Actually, we could do that.
I'm only level 29. I don't know how to do one with the laser days on later.
Come on, let's get in the AO, guys. What's the problem?
Yuki, is that tank still alive? Has any of my shots hit?
Off to the left of base, the one with the bomb on it.
Oh wow.
Chase, get it. It's right below you.
No, bring the Black Hawk in. You guys in the AO?
I know, I'm trying to see that.
One more attempt, I think.
We may as well just do fucking ground, honestly. May as well just fucking.
Yeah.
Also,
Mark on the map.
Yeah.
Bad dog.
Free money and
We'll
XP,
get a
really. I
six-
just need XP and I'll just get money. Bro, you hit it again. You've directed this every single time.